To use Affirm on SeatGeek in 2023, start by creating an account on SeatGeek if you do not already have one. Once you have an account, browse the available events and select the tickets you want to purchase. When you are ready to check out, click on the Checkout button and enter your information as prompted. On the payment page, you will see the option to pay with Affirm. Select this option and you will be redirected to the Affirm website to complete your application. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to apply for financing. Once you have applied, you will receive a decision immediately. If you are approved, you will be presented with the loan terms, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. Review these terms carefully before accepting the loan. If you accept the loan, you will be redirected back to SeatGeek to complete your purchase. Your tickets will be emailed to you after the purchase is complete. Make sure to review your loan terms and make payments on time to avoid late fees. Using Affirm on SeatGeek is a great way to finance your ticket purchases and make them more affordable. By following these steps, you can easily use Affirm to buy tickets to your favorite events. Just remember to review the loan terms carefully and make payments on time to avoid any issues.